Hey everyone, it's Paul Hamilton here from UTB. Welcome to the Canva March update. We're going to explore 3 quick tools that will really take your creativity to the next level. So why don't we jump into it? The first one we're going to look at is Magic Expand. So let's take a look at this AI tool that is incredibly effective for resizing images. So I'm going to go down to my uploads. Let's take a look at our uploads first, and I'm going to bring over an image that I have used with an AI image generator, which Kelly covered in the February Canva update. So I've got here this beautiful image of a boy and a girl sitting on the rocks overlooking the Sydney Opera House. Now what I can do is I can expand that. You can see that it doesn't fit on the canvas itself. So if we go up to the top left-hand corner and go to Edit Photo, we have this Magic Expand where I can pick and choose the different types of expansion that we do. So if I select the 1-to-1 and I draw that right out, sorry, I'll do freeform. Freeform's better. I'll drag that right out lengthways or widthways, sorry. There we go there. We're going to expand that. And as that's doing that and using all its AI capabilities here, what this does is it allows me to resize according to the purpose of the image. And so it will give me 4 different options that I can play around with. There we go there. That's looking pretty good. Now it's not accurate architecturally of the Sydney Opera House, but it's giving me these 4 different kind of views here, which is great. I've got like a boat in there. I've got like different aspects. I kind of like that one a little bit. So I'm going to press done. And so you can see here that it's actually filled up the entire canvas, and it's giving me that extra kind of element. So that's Magic Expand, and it's a fantastic way of just kind of using that empty space and filling it up with those images going forward. Let's take a look at Background Remover. Why don't we bring in an image? So I'm going to bring in this man standing on a rock here, and I'm going to go up to my Edit Photo again and look at how we can get rid of parts of images. Now there's 2 parts to this. I can go straight to my background remover where it will do its best. And you can see here it's removed the rock, for example. But what I can do, and a lot of people don't know, is I can re-click on the configurations and I can restore certain areas. So I might say, look, I really want to restore this kind of rock area here that I'm going to, let me increase my brush size so I can restore and I can also take away. So if I go here with my rocks, I can kind of restore different areas, and then I can go back and kind of erase if I wanted to, or do a range of different things in regard to what I can do. I can show the original image and what's been taken out and what hasn't been taken out. I can reset that tool if I wanted to, but it just gives me some more peace of mind in regard to the image. So what I can do there is Edit Photo. Let's do that one more time. We'll go to Background Remover. We'll have that man standing there, and then what we could do is bring in another image. In this case, we've got some rocks here. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger to take up the page. I can then go up to Edit Photo on that one and actually do my Magic Expand with my whole page 1-on-1 or freeform. Let's do our freeform. We're going to go to Magic Expand. And so that ability to remove backgrounds and also expand initial photos or images allows me to start creating compositions. It allows me to start grabbing some images, layering over the top. You can see that's looking really, really good. I'm going to go in a minute when they all come up. I'll have a quick look at the other ones. They all look pretty good in regard to the expansion of what we've done there. And I might go with this first one when it finally comes in. That one's looking even better, so I'll go with the last one. I'll press done. And then what we can do there is when that's done, we can go up to our position. We can send that backwards, and now we've got that person standing on the rocks overlooking that beautiful kind of scenery there. So we can start to use the background remover and also the Magic Expand going forward to create our beautiful narratives. Now, what I'm going to do there is I'm going to take a quick screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot of that image there and kind of take a screenshot there and show you our last tool. And the last tool is the Mockup app. So if I go onto this page and I go to my elements, I'm looking and searching for mockups by Canva, and I'm going to use that app. And so what we can actually do is start to look at some of those areas. I've got a nice computer generated mock-up here that I'm going to make a little bit bigger so that you can see. And you can see where the picture itself goes here. And so what we can do is we can look at our uploads, and what I might do is upload my screenshot that I just took of my beautiful scenery, and we'll bring that over to the mock-up. It kind of gives it that ability to look at my design, how it's going to look on a product itself. So if I go right up the top and I've got my mock-ups and I just drag that directly on top, what that will do is it will bring into that mock-up my beautiful design on my computer. Now, what I can do with that is I can go to edit. It does a little bit of cropping. It does smart cropping and alignments and some different things here that you can kind of pick and choose where you actually want it. You can apply your changes to see how it fits, but it's going to give me that kind of nice image in regard to what we can do. We can also fill the space itself, apply the changes so it gives it that really natural look about it on a full screen, almost like a desktop saver. And so what we've done is we've applied our three things here. We've designed our Magic Expand, we've looked at our background remover, and then we've done a quick mock-up on that as well. Now, on the left-hand side, you can see the great mock-ups that we've got. We've got mugs and we've got a whole range of different things. If I bring in this mug here and I make it a little bit smaller and put that on my desk, I might put that just on the desk there. You can insert your images directly, obviously, in there as well. So if I drag that on top of that image there, it's going to give me that wraparound mug look, and I can start to look at, see how my beautiful designs, look at that, that looks great in regard to my designs, how they look from a different perspective, from a product perspective. So there we go. We've got 3 really great tools to explore in Canva in our March update from UTB. Hope you enjoyed that, and can't wait to bring you the next update.